time now. I want you to close your eyes. Then I will count 1 till 5 slowly. Then as I say 5, open up your eyes. And yeah, we will start the lesson. Coba ya. Now close your eyes. When you close your eyes, boys and girls, it seems that most of you are already here. Sepertinya semuanya, hampir semuanya sudah di sini. Let's just start the class today. Can someone help me to lead the prayer? Ada yang bisa bantu mimpin doa?
Siap saya, Miss.
Thank you. So, boys and girls, I would like to ask you, have you guys checked the materials that I give? Sudah cek? So now I give you time like 2 or 3 minutes to access the materials. 2 sampai 3 menit untuk melihat materinya. You can pick. There are 3 choices. Ada 3 jenis materi form of video. Kamu mau materi dalam bentuk video, or you want to have it in the form of text. Kalau mau baca materinya dalam bentuk teks, you can just click the link in the text. If you want to have a poster, you can just click the link. Okay, in order to make you easier, I put the link in the chat box supaya lebih gampang. Bisa kasih linknya di chat box, atau kalian sudah download LKPM-nya. Kalau sudah download, bisa langsung klik link di LKPM-nya.
Iya, Miss.
Good. Now let's move. Before we move to this, I want you to tell me whether you already understood about the materials or not. Kamu sudah paham belum tadi konsep materinya?
Jelas.
Belum ada yang tanyakan. Okay. Now here we will talk a story entitled The Mirror Story. Kita mau bahas cerita berjudul Mirror Story. Can someone help me to read the first paragraph? Ada yang bisa bantuin baca paragraf pertama? Siapa mau bacain? Ya, silahkan.
The Mirror Story.
The name of here, I want you to answer these questions. Number 1 up to number 8. Berdasarkan cerita yang sudah kita baca dan bahas bersama, kita sekarang mengerjakan ini ya. I will give you time, sudah kasih waktu untuk menyelesaikan soal nomor 1 sampai nomor 8. In order to help you answer this, untuk memudahkan kalian menjawab, I will explain per questions. Tiap-tiap pertanyaannya sudah
Bisa, Miss.
Siap, Miss.
Fifth questions untuk pertanyaan nomor 5. Describe what your real and ideal mirrors might look like. Sebenarnya cermin yang seperti apa sih yang menurutmu ideal dan kamu inginkan? Apa yang seperti punyanya Little Rose, apa seperti punya Timothy, apa seperti punyanya si Margie. So you write it down. Kamu deskripsikan di situ. Oke, pertanyaan ini paham? Paham maksudnya pertanyaan ini? Oke, good. The 6 questions, pertanyaan nomor 6. How might others see something different? Bagaimana orang melihat suatu hal itu berbeda? For examples, misalkan, is that true?
Yes.
Then I want you to tell me how can they have the different perspective. Kenapa kok mereka melihat sesuatu hal itu berbeda, ya?
Saya itu kan yang nomor 7, kenapa mereka melihat sesuatu itu berbeda? Merekanya itu tokohnya itu, Miss.
Nomor 6.
Iya,
Nomor
Miss.
6 ya maksudnya.
Iya, Miss.
Yeah. How might others know? That's not necessarily the characters in the story. Tidak melulu karakter yang ada di story. Bisa kamu refleksikan tadi, contohnya tadi, orang yang ada di sekitarmu, setiap orang pasti melihat sesuatu itu secara berbeda. Nah, kenapa? How can it happen? Bagaimana itu terjadi? Bagaimana seseorang memiliki pandangan yang berbeda? You tell me, ya?
Siap, Miss.
Okay, good. And for the 7th questions, pertanyaan yang ke-7, when you see your own reflection, saat kamu melihat refleksimu sendiri, what potentials that you think you own? Potensi atau kekuatan apa yang kamu lihat dari dirimu? So I want you to observe you yourself. Kamu lihat dan observe kamu sendiri ya. What kind of potential or strengths that you own? I want you to find your strength or your potentials. Paham ya?
Paham, Miss.
Okay, and the last questions, pertanyaan terakhir, how can you use this potential to pursue your dream? Bagaimana kamu menggunakan potensi yang kamu miliki itu tadi untuk menggapai mimpimu, menggapai tujuanmu? Is that clear for the questions? Apakah bisa dipahami seluruh maksud pertanyaannya?
Bisa, Miss.
Okay. It needs your thinking ya, memerlukan your thinking ya, and reflections. Okay, I give you some time to do it. Kamu bisa melakukannya, mengerjakan. Bentar lagi. Okay, you can close your eyes. Then you can take a really deep breath. Then you can feel the air pass through your nose. So everyone, before we start the lesson today, sebelum kita mulai materi kita, I would like to ask you about the materials that you have already learned last meeting. Kira-kira masih ingat nggak meeting itu materinya apa?
Narrative text, Miss.
Narrative text. Kalian kemarin kan udah belajar tuh dari video, teks, dan juga poster tentang narrative text. Nah, kemarin kita juga bahas tentang an example of a narrative text entitled The Mirror Story. Ada yang bisa jelasin kemarin itu ceritanya apa sih Mirror Story itu? Intinya tentang apa sih kemarin itu? What is it about?
Mencari jati diri,
What Miss? Mencari jati diri, oke. Siapakah tokoh-tokoh yang ada di sana?
Sydney,
Rose,
Timothy, Little Rose, Marky, Sam.
Okay, good. Okay, yes. Have you guys, if I'm not mistaken, last meeting, I asked you to continue working on your LKPM for number 1 up to number. Yeah, alone. He feels alone. He feels lonely. Okay, good. Nice. Okay, please call out a name. Alia, please call out a name to answer number 4. This one is there is no right, there is no wrong. Nomor 4 sampai nomor 8 itu refleksi diri kalian ya. Jadi tidak ada salah, tidak ada benar. Semua orang punya jawaban masing-masing.
When I stand in front of mirror, I see
Yeah.
only me.
Okay.
Me who stand in front of mirror with a bald head.
Bald head. Okay, and who do you want to see?
I want to see myself not bald again because I bald.
Yeah. Yeah. Describe what your real and ideal mirrors might look like. Mirror seperti apa sih yang kamu inginkan?
My real mirror show if I look ugly and I don't have anything to show. What I want to see in my ideal mirror is I want to look pretty and I want me to be smart and beautiful.
Okay. Come on, you already look beautiful. Okay, good, nice. Okay, now let's move first ya. Kita lanjut dulu. Number 6. Why others see something different? Yeah, can someone help me to answer number 6? Siapa yang bisa
Fawas.
Salsa, Fawas. Okay, yes, Fawas. Okay, yeah. Why? Why do people have different perspective? How could it be?
Other people see things differently because of different points of view, taste, and other factors that happen to them.
Exactly, yeah. Because they see from different point of view, because they have different taste, they have different feeling, and there are also characteristics, different characters, karakter yang mungkin berbeda, atau different experience, atau pengalaman yang berbeda, and that makes people see Ada yang lain, Miss Ida mau dengerin. What kind of potential that you have or you own when you see you yourself? What kind of potential that you think you own? Potensi seperti apa sih yang kamu rasa kamu
Potential
miliki?
King person, Miss.
Hah?
Hardworking person, Miss. Seseorang yang
Hardworking person. Okay, yeah. Okay, good. You think that you are a hard worker, ya? Seorang pekerja keras. Okay, good, nice. Okay, now let's move to the next questions. How can you use those potential to pursue your dream? You already mentioned your potential, and I want you to answer how can you use it to pursue. Okay. So boys and girls, why I give you this question? Kenapa kok Misalnya milih cerita ini dan kenapa pertanyaannya terkait dengan kalian? Why? Because I want you to also understand you yourself. I want you to understand you yourself. Misalnya ingin kalian memahami diri kalian. If someone, okay, let me open up the LKPM. Misalnya coba buka dulu LKPM-nya. Tidak harus dalam bentuk cerita yang berupa kayak tulisan teks gitu. Boleh dalam bentuk komik. Kamu mau gambar, kamu suka gambar, kamu boleh dalam bentuk komik. Atau kalau kamu suka bikin video, boleh dalam bentuk video. Atau kamu suka ngomong aja dalam bentuk storytelling, boleh dalam bentuk storytelling. Oke? Paham ya yang harus dilakukan?
Paham, Miss.
Oke.
Siap, paham, Miss.
Oke, coba bisa diulang salah seorang buat jelaskan tugasnya apa. Apa tugasnya?
Jadi kami disuruh membuat cerita bawang merah bawang putih lagi, tapi dengan perspektif kami masing-masing, dan endingnya itu kami yang menentukan serta jalan ceritanya itu kami yang menentukan. Itu boleh disajikan dalam bentuk video, storytelling, atau ditulis.
Atau komik ya?
Ya.
Boleh, terserah. Oke, good. Nice. Oke, yang lain sudah paham, mengerti?
Siap, Miss.
Oke, nice. Don't forget to finish it ya. Jangan lupa untuk menyelesaikannya. Anyway, guys, I think the time is almost up. Do you guys have any questions about the materials today? Ada yang ditanyakan tentang pelajaran kita hari ini? Ada yang ditanyakan, guys? Belum? Okay. So, again and again, I would like to ask you about your reflections. Miss Rida mau tanya refleksinya, pembelajaran. Do you like it? Do you enjoy your learning today or not? Kira-kira kalian menikmati pembelajaran hari ini atau tidak? Bagian mana yang kamu suka, bagian mana yang tidak kamu suka, supaya pertemuan depan kita bisa memperbaiki. Oke? Ayo, siapa yang mau jelasin? Siap. Oke, come on.
I think this meeting I feel enjoy because the material is easy and my yang paling disukai,
the most interesting part.
The most interesting part is when we learn the material through a video by YouTube.
Okay.
And I think yang kurang disukai,
the part of the learning experience that you don't really like,
is when answer the
question.
Apa namanya, pimpin doa?
Siap, Miss. Mohon izin, Miss.
Yes, please.
Siap, Miss. Mohon izin. Before we study, let's pray together. Begin.
Let's now have the presentations. Who would like to have the first presentation? Siapa?
Laila, Miss.
Yes, Laila.
Excuse me, Miss. So my name is Laila Takara Putri. I will show you my project on math system.
Okay, yes, please. Laila, what kind of project that you have?
Video, Miss.
Okay, video. Okay, nice.
Mohon izin, Miss. I would like to presentation my project. and happy enjoy. with me.
Okay. Thank you. What kind of project that you have?
Video, Miss.
Okay, another video. Nice.
One morning, Bang Putih was washing some clothes, right on one. Out the jewelries and money for their daily life. Thank you.
Okay, great. Please give virtual applause for Alim Sandi. Okay, nice. Nuril, do you want to present?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I take place
Waalaikumsalam.
a each household. The head of is overjoyed and asking Bang Putih to marry him.
Like it.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Once upon a time, in East Java, lived away by the river. I must find it. Unfortunately,
persons don't have a wife. When she put all of the clothes into the basket, she was surprised to find her stepmother's scarf was not here. Mother's favorite scarf is gone. Oh no, it's drifting down the river. What should I do? I daren't go home. Mother will scold.
Asked to work, helping his mother. She faced life steadfastly, even though sometimes she is also treated unfairly by her stepmother. He also had to sweep and fill up the trash behind the house, but Bang Putih was still patient in doing her homework. Every day, Bang Putih was ordered to wash quite a lot of dirty clothes because
Bang Putih obeys the mother's words, but when washing the clothes, she adequately sweeps the